When it comes to payment processing for your small business, there are many options to choose from. Wix Payments and Square are two popular choices, each offering unique features and benefits. Let me compare Wix Payments and Square to help you determine which is the best solution for your business. Wix Payments is a payment processing service that is integrated into the popular website builder, Wix. It allows small businesses to accept payments through their website, including credit card and PayPal payments. Wix Payments also offers invoicing, subscriptions, and recurring payments, making it a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to sell products or services online. Square is a payment processing service that is known for its simplicity and ease of use. In addition to accepting payments through a point-of-sale system, Square also offers invoicing, subscriptions, and recurring payments, making it a great choice for businesses looking to sell both in person and online. Square also provides businesses with valuable data and insights, allowing them to make informed decisions about their payment processing strategy. So, which is the best solution for your business? Both Wix Payments and Square offer similar features, making it difficult to determine the best solution for your business. However, Square has a few advantages over Wix Payments, including its ability to integrate with more point-of-sale systems and its more robust data and insights capabilities. So, ultimately, Square is the best solution for small businesses looking for a comprehensive and user-friendly payment processing solution. With its integration with multiple point-of-sale systems, powerful data and insights capabilities, and ease of use, Square is the perfect choice for businesses of all sizes. So there you have it. Square Subscriptions is the perfect solution for small businesses looking to increase their revenue and build customer loyalty. Don't wait. Click the link below to sign up for a free Square account today and start taking advantage of this amazing service. Get started on growing your business today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.